Speak right, Africa.
Lesson 8. Emphatic Stress Review. Use the following questions to test your memory. Choose the question that best elicits the response given. 1. The throne has been forsaken. A. Has the room been forsaken? B. Has the throne been taken? Question 2. I wear weaves every day. A. Do you wear plaids every day? B. Do you remove weaves every day? Question 3. The dog is in its cage. A. Is the dog in its house? B. Is the cat in its cage? Question 4. The scale has tilted. A. Has the chair tilted? B. Has the scale remained still? Question 5. The tree has fallen. A. Has the branch fallen? B. Has the tree grown? Question 6. I need a book to read. A. Do you need a book to sell? B. Do you have a book to read? Question 7. All the plates are broken. A. Are all the glasses broken? B. Are some of the plates broken? 8. I need a quiet moment. A. Do you need a moment? B. Do you need a noisy moment?
I'm your speech coach, Chris Orchard. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right, Africa.
Pronunciation tutor. In English pronunciation, note that some syllables are faint or quiet while others are loud. See how this plays out in the following words.
Drop, drug, during, each, early,
Calendar, ancient, important.
Speak right, Africa. Speak right, Africa.